guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Alright guys, so today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of ham fat. Alright, so the thing is that if you're having those floppy hands and stuff, it's just gonna make you look kind of older than your age. So this natural drink would help you to get rid of all of those fat, and you are gonna be like yeah guys, and it's gonna be very effective. So the thing is that right from the very first day you're gonna be taking this ham fat remedy, is you are gonna be feeling different. But yeah, you should know that it is natural, so you have to also put in a little bit of work by reducing the intake of carbohydrate food and fatty food, and then you're good to go. You're good to drinking this, and it's going to be very effective. So yeah guys, that's it. If you want to know what comprises of my ham fat remedy, please do continue watching, and don't you forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, and I'm about to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright guys, let's dive into this video. For the ham fats, we're gonna be needing cinnamon, which is gonna be our very first ingredient. Cinnamon is one of the most delicious and healthy spice. Okay, you can buy this in a local market where they sell spices. This can help in lowering blood sugar level. It reduces heart disease risk, and it has other impressive health benefits, like it reduces stubborn fat. It helps to remove unwanted stomach fat, and it also improves the overall general body weight. Okay, it contains anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property that can provide help to your body while trying to lose weight. Okay, so that's it. And the very next ingredients we're gonna be needing will be sugar cane. Alright, this you can buy in a grocery store, or you can buy it in a local market, obviously, because I know you can buy this online. It's normal sugar cane. Okay, sugar cane is great for dehydration. It helps to cure common cold and other infections, and it also fights fever as it boosts the body protein level. Besides this, there are a few more great benefits to sugarcane, which helps to remove stubborn fat because it replaces the body with the necessary nutrients. So if you use sugarcane for removal of fat, it's going to be very perfect. Okay, so that's why we need sugarcane for this. And the very next ingredients we're going to be needing for this will be lemon. Alright guys, so in our local of course in our state we have green lemon. Okay, so you don't misinterpret my green lemon to the foreign lemons, which are usually lemon color. But of course here I'm fortunate to have the lemon looking lemon color. Okay, lemon is a rich source of vitamin C. Lemon juice protects the body from immune system deficiency. Okay, drinking lemon juice with warm water, which is what we're gonna be doing every morning, will help maintain the pH balance of the body. Okay, so and it's also gonna be helpful in removing belly fat, stubborn body weight, and it's gonna be perfect in removing ham fat too. Okay, so the next ingredients we are gonna be needing will be turmeric powder. Now you can buy turmeric powder in a local market where they sell spices, or you can order this online. Okay, because I'm very sure you're gonna get this online. But where they sell spices like Maggi, like curry and all of that stuff, you would definitely get turmeric powder there. Okay, turmeric powder contains a powerful anti-inflammatory effect, and it is very strong antioxidant. Okay, however, it contains a high level of fat reduction in this. Okay, so using turmeric alongside with other natural remedy would help you to remove belly fat, stubborn fat, or arm fat. Okay, so we're gonna be needing this a whole lot. Now let me tell you how you're gonna be mixing all of this together. Okay, alright guys, so for the sugar cane, I'm gonna go blend this and extract the juice of the sugar cane. Okay, or anyhow you can extract the juice of the sugar cane, you can do that, but for me, I'm gonna go blend it and extract the juice. Alright, so we're gonna be needing a cup, and we're gonna be needing some warm water. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting in some warm water into this cup right now. Alright, for the cinnamon, you can see I have the smallest of my measuring spoons, so you're gonna be taking a pinch of the cinnamon. Okay, because for me, I honestly don't like the smell of cinnamon, but it is really great and good for the body. Alright, so for the turmeric powder, also the small one, but of course this one is bigger than the first one of my measuring spoon. Look at the first one for the turmeric, smaller than the for the cinnamon, smaller than the one for the turmeric. Okay, so you have to take a pinch of that. You don't need that too much, because of course too much of everything is bad. And now for the lemon, we're gonna be squeezing in just half of the lemon. Okay, because I'm going to be straining this out, so I'm just going to be squeezing this into the bowl, sorry, into the cup. And this water is actually very hot, and it's great that way though, so you don't have to use cold water, you need to use hot water. So here is my blended sugar cane. This is how it looks like right now. Alright, so since I'm going to be straining this all out, so I'm just going to be scooping in the sugar cane into it. And yeah, this you can actually replace it with honey dough or dates. Okay, just to improve the taste of your drink. Okay, so I'm gonna be scooping in 3 tablespoons of that into, just going to be stirring this all up. And yeah guys, you have to stir it really great, so that all of the ingredients can mix really well. Okay, so I'm gonna be straining this all out, but of course if you can drink it this way, it is okay because you're taking in fiber. But for me, I can't drink it this way, so I have to strain it so it can be really pure without any shafts. A very small rubber bowl, and I'm just going to be straining this all in so I don't get the whole place messed up with this. Okay, so this is all of the shafts that I got. The shaft is mainly from the sugar cane though, so I'm going to dispose this. I just kept it for it to sink down, so if there is any more shafts, it will go down. Alright, so I'm sure we're going to be getting more shafts. Okay, so I'm just going to be turning this in. Yeah, I said that. Now look at this, there's still more shaft, and we don't need that for the drink. Okay, arm fat, stomach fat, or general body fat drink. This is gonna taste really great because of the sugar cane, but for me, I don't like the taste of cinnamon. But of course, the sugar cane has actually covered the whole taste of the cinnamon. Okay, so this is how it's looking like, and let me have a taste. It tastes good, but trust me, it tastes really slappy. Now that is actually because of the lemon. Okay, So the thing is that it's gonna have a taste anyways, okay? So the taste is, it doesn't have much of the cinnamon taste, but it has more of the lemon taste because it's really slappy, and it's kind of nice. It kind of tastes a little sweet and a little sour, a little slappy, and all of that. So it's something you can take, although if you're determined to lose fat, you can actually taste that. You can actually take this because it's very healthy, and all of the ingredients in it are very, very healthy. Okay. All right, so how you're gonna take this is that every morning you have to take this before eating anything. You take this drink, and you have to drink it warm though. You must drink this warm, okay, so that it can replace the food you're about to take. And then after, you have to drink it and stay for like 1 to 2 hours before you can take anything. When you take more of carbohydrate food, it's not going to be very functional, okay? So you have to cut it down, and you have to cut down the intake of fatty food also, like completely. And you have to eat less in the evening, and this is actually very friendly for the eyes, for the mouth, and you know, for the health also. So thumbs up to it. You can. So basically guys, that is just it. All right, it doesn't taste bad, just like I've earlier told you guys. It's something that you have to put in just a little bit of work, and you are gonna be loving your result. Your result is just gonna be awesome. All right, so if you did love the video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also share this video. Turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you want to ask me any question, please do drop them on my website. The link will be at my description box and also at my comment section. Alright, beautiful ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna be seeing you soon in my next video. Bye guys.